Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Raypak pool heater and you're getting this error water switch open, water SW open, it's the water switch open, and what's going on. And if this happens, what's going to happen is your pool, it's not going to heat, and maybe it'll heat for a little bit and then the heat will turn off. And the reason that that's doing that is because it's not sensing that it's getting the enough water flow to be able to heat safely. So if it can't heat up the water, then there's no place for the heat to go, and for a safety measure, it will turn it off. So what you need to do is figure out why is your heater not getting water. Now, you might need to replace a pressure switch or something like that, which is incorrectly diagnosing that it's not getting water. But it also could be that your heater is actually not getting water, and you need to just go in and check, all the areas where the flow could be restricted. There could even be like the baskets and the screens that screen out debris, or making sure the water is flowing fully to the water heater. But anyways, yeah. So you're gonna, if you get if it gets not enough water flow, or if it senses that it's not getting enough water flow, you're gonna end up with this error on your Raypak heater, and you need to get that water flow issue sorted out before it will heat the water again. Hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.